European Starling by Angelina for science class. Okay, let's just jump in. The European starling is a bird. It has black wings that reflect blue and purple when they are in the sunlight, that are also kind of iridescent. Then they have long yellow beaks, which help them scavenge in the dirt or bird feed for all sorts of food. European starlings are really loud and they travel together all the time. They spend most of their time with their flock, looking for food, scavenging, or just hanging out. European starlings tend to live near human settlement, near towns, countryside, houses, apartments, and farms. They feed on anything they can find, like insects, small worms, grass, corn, crumbs, berries, small fruit, and so much more. They really do love eating and they have a really big appetite. Fun fact: did you know that according to allaboutbirds.org, starlings are strong flyers and can get up to speeds of 48 miles per hour? I didn't. But wait, these birds are invasive species, meaning that they are not native to the region and have a tendency to spread to a degree, causing damage to the environment and humans. Sound the alarm, people. These birds were not always here. How did they get here, you ask? Well, European starlings were brought in by Shakespeare's plays enthusiasts in 1890. Out of the 50 pairs that were released in Times Square, 15 pairs survived. Then they multiplied and multiplied and multiplied. European starlings are native to Europe, Asia, and Africa. So you may be asking, what's the problem? It's that there's just so many. Overpopulation. One flock of European starlings can clean out a whole vineyard in just one day. Have you seen a flock of European starlings? They look like a swarm of bees that are attacking the poor innocent trees. Not only grapes, they also steal food from livestock. And on top of that, they transfer diseases such as TGE to animals. This is an especial concern to swine farmers. The pigs like to roll around in mud that may contain starling droppings. And eventually, one thing leads to another, and one pig transfers it to another, and bam, the whole sounder is either dead or not. Now, this shouldn't be a problem if farmers bird-proof their farms. Another concern is that starlings are aggressively competitive over nesting area, food, and territory with native species. This is a problem as it drives out, starves, or leaves the native species with no space to reproduce. Fun fact: according to allaboutbirds.org, the oldest recorded wild European starling in North America was a male, and it was at least 15 years old, 3 months old, when he died in Tennessee in 1972. Well, that's all you need to know about European